guess what, guys? Today we are opening one of the most elusive and exciting styling services there is, at least for me, which is the short story styling service, which is the one for Petites, 5'4" and under. I call it elusive just because I think that they get a backlog of orders, and so it is usually a few months between orders. And so this is my third one, and I maybe had my first one back in May, and then I did a video for that, and then the second one I got during my hiatus, didn't do a video, and now we are down to my third one. So very excited. I watched back my first video as I was getting ready this morning so I could remember a few details about the service, because sometimes I forget about, what the styling fee is, $25, and whether it gets applied to anything you purchase. It does. And anyways, I was looking at all the pieces. I was like, crap, I love everything I got in that box. So I will put a card up. If you did not watch that, go back and watch that. I guess I didn't introduce myself. My name is Jen. If this is your first time here, welcome. I do all sorts of fashion related videos, usually just opening up these style boxes. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe. Returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back, your support, all of it. Now, let's get into this. I already said $25 styling fee. You got 4 days to decide what to keep, send back what you don't want. They only charge you for what you keep. The styling fee does apply to anything you purchase. And you do fill out your survey in a sheet that you get in the box. Instead of doing it online, you do that here in your box. And it's a great service. I have nothing but good things to say about it. I love getting petite items, as you guys have probably seen in so many other of my videos. Everything's big on me, and I try to make it work. It just gets frustrating though, because it's like clothes look so much better when they fit on you. And you'll see sometimes where in some of these boxes, I consider keeping something solely because it fits, and not necessarily that I love the piece. I just like pieces that fit me well. So that's why I love this service, because I love getting pieces that are tailor-made for smaller people like myself. So if you are interested in trying it, there is a referral code below. I believe you get $25 off your first box, and so do I. That's a great deal. So make sure to check them out, and let's get into it. I think that's enough talking. I think it's time to open this up. I have no idea what's in here. I didn't really give any suggestions because I didn't really have any. I was just like, fall. Just send fall. So I have no clue what's in here, and I am excited to see. If you go out to their website, there's a chat there where you can talk to somebody if you have questions about the service or anything like that. I did get on there after watching somebody else's unboxing of Short Story, just to be like, what's up? Just want to make sure you had my order. And she was very sweet and wonderful. Okay, so, what do we got in here? Okay, so we got, I'm not going to look in here. This is, I think, the pieces, and I like to be surprised. They want us to take some accurate measurements, so I think they're trying to be a little bit more accurate. I'm guessing. I haven't seen this in anybody else's box, but this is cool. So they want to make sure that they are, giving you the best pieces, and so they actually sent a tape measure, which is super cool, and it showed you where to measure. So I will make my hubby help me and take my measurements, because I think I know my measurements, but I think it'd be good to get an accurate representation of that and send that over so that, I can get some good fitting pieces. Now, let's get to the fun part. I've been thinking about this all morning. All right, we got 2 bundles here. I see a little bit of animal print, some black, some brown maybe. All right, and then I got a second bundle in there. I love opening up my boxes. Okay, first off, we have, this is an extra small by Ultra Flirt, and this is a crop cardigan, a ribbed crop cardigan, and black V-neck here. So I don't have anything like this. I think this is really cute. It is cropped, but I might have a kind of a longer shirt underneath it, or I'm not sure, or it might not be too short on me, because that's the point. I'm Jen and I'm short. All right, next up. We have, ooh, what are you? This is an animal print skirt. It's like a greenish brownish. Oh, is that a slit? Oh, I think this is staying. A greenish brownish kind of main color, and then some black and brown animal print spots. And this is by Elodie, and this is a size small, which is the appropriate size for me in skirts, just because I do have a bigger rump. So usually on top I'm like extra small or extra small, and then on bottom I'm more of a just a small. So yeah, cool slit in it, and I think this is full length. It might be midi length. I think it's full length though, so we'll see, but I really like that. Really cute. Okay, and a dress pant. I am always, oh, this is Liverpool. Okay, this is the Kelsey trouser, and it's a purple knit trouser, my size 0/25 teat, and oh, it's a good thick feeling trouser. And unless something is wrong with the fit, I think this will probably be staying with me. I can tell you that already. Nice thick trouser. Listen, my office is cold. Summer, winter, fall, spring, it's cold. I love a nice thick trouser to just feel warm and cozy in, and also cute and appropriately dressy. So really, really like those. So far, really happy with what I've gotten. But let's keep going. Ooh, I see jeans and some, let's just get into it. Okay. Next up, we have this blouse. This is a, what color are you? It's not, it's more like it's not burgundy, it's not maroon, but it's not red. I'll just let you guys decide what color it is, okay? Just take a look at it. Anyways, and it has gold stars on it, and I like a nice simple pattern, so I'm all about that. And it does have a tie front to it. Really, really pretty though. Really pretty. So, love this. This is by, who are you by? This is by Rails, and it is an extra small. So, guys, that's really cute. And then jeans, always so excited to get jeans. This is the Lucky brand, and this is the mid-rise crop, Ava crop, and my size 25, and it's just a non-distressed skinny jean, and you know, which is nice because I need certain pairs to be able to wear to work on Fridays that aren't distressed. And plus, I tend to wear not distressed in the winter because I actually put a pair of leggings on underneath my pants a lot of the times. Indiana's awesome, guys. So I tend to double layer, and I don't want, you know, Christmas leggings showing through distressing. So I pretty much wear non-distressed jeans all winter long for that reason. Okay, next up we have the Wilfred Free sweater. It's an extra small. Oh, by sweater I mean sweater dress, I think. Or is it a tunic? I don't know. I'll have to look at the paperwork. Love the color. Green is my favorite color, so that's a definite win. It looks like it's an extra small, but it's still quite wide, so I think it's meant to be pretty oversized, which honestly I don't actually mind in like a sweater dress, because a lot of sweater dresses are like bodycon type sweater dress, and I'm not here for that. I'm tired. Don't let me buy anything more that's bodycon. I've decided this because I don't like to wear it. I don't feel comfortable in it. So anyways, I'm all about looser things, and a looser sweater dress, yes, I'm here for this. Okay, enough of that. Okay, so I guess they sent me 6. I couldn't remember if they sent me 5 or 6 items, but it looks like there's 6 here. So, alright, so let's go ahead, try this stuff on. There's nothing in here I don't like just by looking at it, so we'll just have to check out and see what the fit of everything is. So excited! Alright, guys, I have my first outfit on, and I am obsessed with this skirt. Just absolutely obsessed with it. It is full length on me. I think it's actually supposed to be more of a midi skirt, but, you know, hi, I'm short. But I really like it, and I like the slit in it because it's still just slightly above the knee. I don't like things that have a slit in it and it's like, boom, here's your entire leg. And it's not like that. I love this skirt. I love it, love it, love it. For somebody who's tiptoeing into the animal print world, it's very subtle, you know, mostly browns with a little bit of black. It's just a subtle animal print, and I think it's super, super cute. So what do you guys think? Hopefully you like it. And then the top, I think, goes great with it. I think this is actually a really, really great outfit that she sent me, and I'm happy with that. The sleeves are a little bit long, so I do have them rolled up, but on a ripped shirt like this, it's no big deal. It is a cropped shirt, so if I pull it out here, it looks pretty much the same as it did tucked in. So it is a little bit cropped, but, and usually I'm all like, no, I don't want cropped, but I have enough high-waisted things like this skirt that it's actually not a big deal. I'm just going to be tucking it in, or really the cropped is on trend. So, and I'm not showing any stomach on anything. So I'm happy. I think I want to keep both of these depending on what the price is. So yay first outfit, yay short story. All right, I think we'll do the Liverpool pants next. Okay, so Liverpool dress pants, they are purple. I'll kind of walk forward so you can kind of see the color of them a little bit better. And I think they are a really, really great fit. Perfect length, just hit right here at the ankle. They are a nice thick dress pant, so I really, really like these. Liverpool's pretty expensive, usually like 90 bucks for a pair of their pants. So we'll see how much these cost, but I might splurge on them because honestly, when it comes to workwear, specifically dress pants, those are things I'm wearing, you know. I will wear a singular pair of dress pants almost once a week, once every other week. If I like them, they get a lot of use when it comes to my wardrobe. So let me know what you, the only thing I don't like is, not to like shove my rear in the camera, but I can feel the pockets here. They're like very defined pockets, and I feel like it makes a crease. So I might actually I've cut out back pockets before because I didn't like the seam that they created. So we'll see. I might consider doing that. Okay, let's get on the next outfit. Okay, so I scooch back as far as possible because I'm trying to get full body in because I want you guys to see the pants line on this. Pants lengths are two different lengths. The right leg is slightly, this leg here is slightly shorter than this leg here. I've taken them off and on a couple of times and keep coming up with the same result of one leg slightly shorter than the other. So that's kind of a deal breaker. This is the Lucky brand. I don't know if they have quality control or what the situation is, but that's unfortunate. Now the top, it is cute. I think it's a really cute top. It's very low cut, so I would definitely have to wear a cami with it, but I love the color of it. I love the pattern, so I like that as a thicker blouse. I feel like most blouses I get sent are sheer, and it's just like, well, unless it's 100 degrees out, I can't wear that because my office is freezing. So the only thing is, it almost seems slightly big. I don't know. I know a lot of these crop tops are meant to be a little bit flowerish, so let me know what you guys think of this one. Also with the Lucky pants, there is gapping here at the waist, so that generally disqualifies them, other than, you know, the leg length. So, alright, I think we have just the dress left. Okay, last up we have this dress, and it's an oversized. I mean, it's an extra, extra small, so it's not the wrong size. It's just meant to be a very kind of casual, oversized dress, but I am not an oversized person. It's just, I like things to kind of have a more flattering fit to it, but I love the color. I like kind of the 3/4 length sleeve. I like that it's a sweater dress that's not form-fitting, but I just think there's too, oh, and it has pockets, so that's always awesome. I just think it's too oversized for my taste. What do you guys think? Here it is all the way around. Okay, hopefully I didn't cut off my head too much in the last two outfits, but if I did, please forgive me. All right, let's go ahead and do prices and recap. Okay, friends of mine from the internet, let's go over prices. And also, I found when I was pulling stuff out of the box later that she actually had sent me a note, and I'll skip to the part that's relevant to you guys because there's a personal element to it because she's awesome. Anyways, she said, I've made a number of changes to the business, including hiring new stylists, changing our styling methodology, etc. I find that many times petite women aren't sure what their inseams are, leading to poor fitting pants. So I've included a tape measure for you in case you need a handy tool for measuring. So just thought I'd share that information. So tonight I will have my husband help me do the measurements so I can fill out the paperwork and send this stuff back. I love her commitment to try to get everybody clothing that actually fits. The fact that she's sending tape measures so that we can measure ourselves and she can get more exact sizing is just completely awesome. All right, so we have this Cassidy V-neck blouse. It is $52.42, and I can't get over how much I love the color. I love the stars on it, but I think it's the low cut V that's going to be my deal breaker. Oh, I also love the thickness of the blouse. Really, really love that. It's just the V-neck, and I don't really want to wear a cami underneath it. And for $52, I would want my blouse to be like a perfect blouse, and I just don't think I'm going to like it as well with a cami underneath it, but I'm going to need it. So I have a hard time letting go of this piece because I think it's a really fantastic one, but I think I'm going to have to. Then we have the button front knit sweater by Ultra Flirt, and it is $36.58. I just have a lot of pieces that I could wear this with, and I do frequently look for more of a form-fitting black top to fit into some of my bottoms. So this will get heavy use. This is staying. Then we have the Kelsey knit trousers by Liverpool, $89. That is your standard Liverpool price. As I said, I am willing to splurge a little bit more on good quality dress pants, and I've actually worn these already, so they are staying with me. Then we have the Lucky crop skinny jeans, and they are $48.23. And again, you've got the two different pants lengths, which, watch this, if you just hold them out straight, you can see this leg is shorter than the other. So I'm not going to keep these, but it is always nice to get affordable jeans, so I appreciate that. Then we have this skirt that I'm obsessed with. This is the animal print midi skirt, which really is more of a maxi skirt on me, but that's fine. It is by Elodie, and it is $32.64. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. It's staying with me. And then last is this dress. This is the Set Me Free dress by Wilfred, and it is $52.90, and I'm just not into the oversized style, and I mean, she definitely got me the right size with the extra small, but just not an oversized type of gal. So the whole entire box is $311.77. There are 6 items in this box. There is no buy all or buy 5 discount, but a lot of these pieces are pretty affordable, so I'm fine with that. And there you go. I am very, very, very pleased with this box. There's definitely some items in here that I am officially already obsessed with. I really love my short story box. If you are interested in trying it, for $25 off your first box, I do have a referral link below that you can go ahead and use that and check it out, and then tell me all about it, and hopefully you have a good experience. Again, be prepared to wait a while just because they are very busy, and good for them. I'm glad they have lots of business. So in the meantime, while I wait for my next short story, I shall get 1,000 other boxes and still spend too much money. Okay. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, then please subscribe below. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.